Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set press volume key to take picture or record video on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, in useful features section, you can see the shooting methods. Okay, you'll have to stop this. And here in shooting method, you can see the press volume key to, and okay, to set the press volume key to take picture or record video, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up bar show, okay, you can see the option. You can select the take picture or record video. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set press volume key to take picture or record video on your Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.